Wait, your PS5 trophy is not unlocking even after completing the requirement. Before you panic or replay the entire game again, stop right here. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to fix PS5 trophy not unlocking issues using real, tested, and working methods. These are not guesses. These are solutions that actually worked for thousands of PlayStation users worldwide. Right after this hook, let me tell you one important thing. This video is created with the help of AI, but every single solution shared here is 100% effective and workable. If you watch this full video carefully, you will be able to fix the problem by yourself without contacting support or losing your progress. If you face any difficulty, comment below and I will respond within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more practical tech solutions. Now let's start from the basics and move step by step like a professional technician. First, you need to understand why PS5 trophies sometimes do not unlock. Most of the time, the issue is not the game. It is either a sync problem, network problem, system cache issue, or PlayStation Network communication error. The good news is, all of these can be fixed without deleting your data. Let's begin with the most important and most effective solution. The first solution is manually syncing trophies with PlayStation Network. Sometimes trophies unlock locally but fail to sync with the server. To fix this, go to your PS5 home screen. Go to your profile icon on the top right corner. Then go to Trophies. Now press the Options button on your controller. Select Sync with PlayStation Network. Make sure your internet connection is active during this process. Wait until the sync is completed fully. After syncing, restart your console and check the trophy list again. If the trophy still does not unlock, do not worry. We move to the second solution. The second solution is checking your internet connection stability. Trophy syncing requires a stable connection, not just fast speed. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Set up Internet Connection. Choose your connection type, Wi-Fi or LAN cable. If you are using Wi-Fi, make sure you are connected to 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz if your signal is weak. Avoid public or shared networks. After connecting, go to Network, then go to Connection Status, then test Internet Connection. Make sure PlayStation Network sign-in shows successful. Now restart your PS5 once again. Still not fixed. Let's go deeper. The third solution is restarting the game properly and refreshing trophy tracking. Close the game completely. Do not suspend it. Press the PlayStation button, highlight the game, press Options, select Close Game, now restart your PS5. After reboot, launch the game again. Load your save file. Sometimes the trophy unlocks instantly after reloading the game and triggering the last action again. If that does not work, move to the next solution. The fourth solution is checking if the trophy is bugged or has hidden conditions. Some trophies require very specific conditions. For example, completing a mission without dying, without using fast travel, or without changing difficulty. Many trophies look simple but have hidden rules. Before assuming it is broken, check trusted trophy tracking websites like PlayStation Trophies, PowerPix, and True Trophies. Compare your progress with verified unlock requirements. Many users unlock the trophy only after following the exact condition. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful fixes. The fifth solution is rebuilding the PS5 database. This does not delete your games or saves. It only cleans system cache and fixes corrupted indexes. First, turn off your PS5 completely. Do not use rest mode. Wait until the console is fully powered off. Now press and hold the power button. Release it after the second beep. Connect your controller using a USB cable. Press the PlayStation button. You will see the Safe Mode menu. Select Rebuild Database. Wait patiently until the process finishes. After rebooting, launch the game and check the trophy again. For many users, the trophy unlocked immediately after this step. If the issue still exists, we move forward. The sixth solution is checking system software updates. Outdated firmware can cause trophy sync bugs. Go to Settings, System, System Software, then Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. If an update is available, install it fully. Restart your PS5 after updating. Now check your trophies again. Next comes a very overlooked solution. The seventh solution is disabling and re-enabling console sharing and offline play. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts, Other, then Console Sharing and Offline Play. Disable it first. Restart your PS5, then enable it again. This refreshes account authentication and trophy permissions. Now let's talk about PlayStation Network server issues. The eighth solution is checking PlayStation Network server status. Sometimes the issue is not your console. Go to PlayStation Network service status from any browser. Check Trophy, account management, and gaming and social services. If any service is under maintenance or degraded, wait until it is fixed. Do not keep retrying during server downtime. Now comes an advanced but effective fix. The ninth solution is signing out and signing back into your PlayStation account. Go to Settings, then go to Users and Accounts, then go to Other, then Sign Out. Restart your PS5, sign in again with your PlayStation account. Make sure you are connected to the correct region account. Sometimes trophies do not unlock if the game region and account region mismatch. Still stuck? We have more. The 10th solution is reinstalling the game. Before doing this, back up your save data. Go to Settings, then go to Save Data, and Game App Settings, then go to Save Data. Upload your saves to cloud or USB. Now delete the game only, not the save file. Reinstall the game fully. Update it to the latest version. Launch the game and load your save. Many users reported trophies unlocking after reinstalling a corrupted game update. Now an important warning, some trophies are permanently bugged in certain game versions. If a trophy is confirmed bugged by developers, the only solution is waiting for a patch. Replaying will not help until the bug is fixed. Always check patch notes and community confirmations. If none of these solutions work, the final option is contacting PlayStation support with proof. Provide screenshots, video clips, and trophy progress. They can manually verify and sometimes unlock the trophy server side. Now let me give you some quick technician tips. Always play while connected to internet. Avoid switching profiles during gameplay. Do not change system time manually. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Date and Time, then go to Set Automatically. Manual time changes can break trophy tracking. Now before ending, let me remind you, if you watched this video fully, you now know more than most PS5 users. These methods are tested, safe, and widely used. If your trophy is still not unlocking, comment your game name and trophy name below. I will personally try to help you within 1 hour. If this video helped you even a little, please like this video, share it with your friends who are trophy hunters, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real, practical, and no-nonsense tech solutions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Now let me give you some quick technician tips. Always play while connected to internet. Avoid switching profiles during gameplay. Do not change system time manually. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Date and Time, then go to Set Automatically. Manual time changes can break trophy tracking. Now before ending, let me remind you, if you watched this video fully, you now know more than most PS5 users. These methods are tested, safe, and widely used. If your trophy is still not unlocking, comment your game name and trophy name below. I will personally try to help you within 1 hour. If this video helped you even a little, please like this video, share it with your friends who are trophy hunters, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real, practical, and no-nonsense tech solutions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.